Hey tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into something that could change the way we think about videos forever. ByteDance, the powerhouse behind TikTok, has just introduced OmniHuman, an AI model that can create lifelike videos from a single photo. Yeah, you heard that right. So, what's OmniHuman all about? Imagine taking just one photo and boom! You can animate that person to talk, gesture, sing, or even play instruments. It's like having your own digital avatar, but way cooler. Researchers have released sample videos, and trust me, they're mind-blowing. We're talking realistic human movements, animated characters, and even historical figures brought back to life. Freddie Tran-Nager from USC is hyped about this tech's potential, especially for small screens like our beloved phones. But hold on, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. With great power comes great responsibility, right? Samantha G. Wolf from NYU warns us about the perils of this tech. We're stepping into a world where AI-generated videos could spread misinformation or be used for manipulation. Imagine a fake video of a political leader causing chaos. Scary stuff. So, as OmniHuman pushes the boundaries of what's possible, we need to think about safeguards and transparency. It's a thrilling time in tech, but we've got to stay smart about it. What do you think? Could OmniHuman be the next big thing? Or are we opening Pandora's box? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech updates. Until next time, stay curious.